Welcome to episode 5 of the AI Site Agent Simply Explained. Hi, I'm Zara, Coach Wanda's AI avatar. Let's get started. In this episode, we'll share the best place to add your AI website agent. Some of the best and obvious places to install your AI website agent are on your homepage to welcome visitors, on your contact page to capture leads, on your product service pages to answer any visitor questions. To prevent drop-offs, add it to exit intent pop-ups. Embed it on your landing pages to increase conversions. Now, let's look at some not-so-obvious places. Think of your AI site agent as an omni-channel AI website agent. Place it on your Google Business Messages. This increases visibility and trust. You should do this because many leads search for you on Google before ever visiting your site. For example, the call to action might say, "Tap message us on Google for instant quotes." The AI site agent can then collect the lead information and send the information to the visitor. Another not-so-obvious place to add your AI site agent on is SMS and missed call text back. This is significant because it can increase open rates by 98%, and it is a lifesaver for missed calls. A call to action example might be, "Missed our call? Text back and get instant answers." Or text help to 4444 for 24/7 support. Don't overlook adding your AI Siste agent to your Instagram and Facebook Messenger DMs. You can engage leads direct from ads, reels, or bio links into a conversation. Here are some call to action examples. On your Instagram bio, say, DM US quote for pricing and recommendations. Or on a Facebook ad, click to Messenger and get your free AI checklist. Another opportunity is your in-app client portal. When users are logged in, they can access immediate assistance. Call to action example might read, "Need help? Ask the assistant right here." Or, "Confused about billing? Click the chat bubble." Another not-so-obvious place to add your AI site agent is in your phone voice service. This can help reduce costly phone calls and automate FAQs. For example, the voice message might say, "Want help faster? Press 1 and I'll text you a link to chat." Or, "Our AI assistant can text you immediate answers." Put your AI agent in the right spot and you could boost engagement by 300%. We've just touched on a few examples. However, there are so many ways you can creatively use your AI agent to streamline communications, provide excellent customer support, and increase leads and conversions. Want a placement strategy for your site? Let's discuss. Click the link below to book a free discovery call.